Good morning, guys, from Phoenix, Arizona. Hey, man, last night I slept like a baby, bro. Oh, I feel good again, man. It was not too cold. It was like 50 degrees. It was perfect for me and Spike, so he wasn't shivering. Oh, shit, guys, look at this. Bro, that's so cool, bro. Oh, there's more of them. Hold up. Bro, look. Yo, that's tough, dog. Yeah, I definitely want to go on a hot air balloon, but those things are expensive. Mikey, that boy. Wait. Hey, Bob. Yes, y'all, boys. All right, so me and Spike are hiking this place in Phoenix. I think it's called Phoenix Mountain or something like that. But, bro, look at these big cactuses, man. I'm going to get up and do a close-up for y'all, too. Look how tall they are, too, man. These are the cactuses you see in, like, movies, like, I don't know, Cactus Jack. These is the type of cactus. Oh, I'm out of breath. We out here. But yeah, guys, look, like, leave it. Come on. Let's go. But guys, bro, yo, if you ever looking for like a fine woman, an active woman, or like just a baddie, bro, the baddies be out here hiking, bro. I literally just met another, like, I say about like a 7 out of 10. You feel me? Face was cool, body was cool, personality was cool. Yeah, bro. Like, I'm finding new ways to go and meet like good-looking women. Go hiking, go to the library, go to coffee shops. Like, my brother was telling me, like, yo, if you go to the library or like Barnes and Noble or something, and you see a girl reading like a romance book, she a freak. You wanna know why? Because she's romanticizing about romance and intimacy. So if you see her reading 50 Shades of Grey, man, 9 times out of 10, she wanna be that 51st shade. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Sometimes all the time, I hate wearing my glasses. Like, I only got one pair of contacts left, but like putting them in and taking them out be too much sometimes, especially when I don't got like a house or like a clean, hygienic bathroom. But I'm about to get some more contacts, bro, because I hate wearing these glasses. I be looking like a nerd and stuff. Like this versus this, a lot better, man. This thing like 15 feet tall. I'm gonna miss these views when I go back home. Why does the desert gotta be full of spiky stuff? Like spiky cactus, spiky tree, spiky boys. Huh, get it? That was off the dome. But yeah, man, I'm walking through these bushes and everything is sticking me, man. I'm getting, like, everything here is spiky, bro. Sandbirds, Spike keeps stepping on sandbirds, getting in his foot and stuff. I don't know, man. We not built for this. Here we, Spike. We built for the forest, man. We're forest natives. All right, y'all, so we just made it to the top. Well, not the top. The top's still up there, but there's no trail. And I'm not trying to have Spiky get any more cactuses in his feet. But yeah, man, like, I'm just sitting here thinking, like, bro, I'm really out here, man. Really out here. Like, bro, my dreams is finally coming true. I used to pray for times like this. And Spike with me the whole ride along. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Just never get old. I may move out to Phoenix, y'all. It's either Texas, Phoenix, or Colorado. Yeah, so I stand corrected. There's more. So, knowing me, bro, if there's a top of a mountain, I'm not just gonna climb a mountain and get to the halfway point. I'm gonna go all the way, man. So, and I ran out of water too. I didn't drink 3 bottles of water. Spike didn't drink 2. So, but we should be good. Let's get to the top. least I got the appropriate stuff to be hiking in today, not forces and jeans. Spice had enough of this. It's okay, buddy. Go lay down. Found this chill little spot underneath this tree. I don't know what kind of tree this is. A Joshua tree? I don't know. A beech tree, maybe. But yeah, we're gonna sit and chill under here for some time. Cool off. And head right back up the mountain, man. We still got all that way to go. All right, guys. I think we made it. Oh, shit. Oh my God. We made it, bro. That's the view of, I guess, Phoenix. Just wait till we get to Los Santos. In other words, LA. Real GTA stuff. I'm at the pinnacle, I'm at the top.
Having a good time?
Yeah. We're from the East Coast, so we don't really do like this, yeah. At this place called Oso Eatery and Nano Brewery, so we about to walk in. And they allow dogs in here too, so I'm gonna get spiked. Food is his own. Good boy. This is what I got. It's like a Nashville hot chicken burger. Oh, appreciate it, bro. And it's called the Angry Bird. It looks real good, though. I'm gonna let y'all know what it tastes like.
Like, we can't add each other on Snapchat. My girl. How's like that? GTA, Harry Potter. Super clean. It might be busy, but it's super clean. Seafood out there is okay. If you go to Oceanside, you go to the harbor, and there's a lighthouse restaurant, and they make fresh calamari, and it's so good. It's not rubbery, it's soft. You bite into it, it's soft.
But their crabs, they have like Dungeness crabs, right?
Yeah.
They're not as good as blue crabs, right?
You can get blue crabs at
And they try. See, I put Old Bay on my fries, and people are like, "What the fuck are you doing?" I'm like, "It tastes good."
They have goldfish.
A friend.
You're my white friend.
Huh?
You're my white friend.
I'm not your wife.
Yeah. That's good, ain't it? Oh, you're getting it everywhere. Shit. Guys, so you know why I can't even do this. What's up, guys? It's currently the next morning, or next 2-day morning. I had ended that vlog a little bit short just because I had met this cool lady. You can see her in the video. We would talk for like 3 or 4 hours, and then after that I just went to sleep. So, but yeah, I met this cool lady. You know, she's cool. She was from DC, actually. The reason we started talking is because she was like, "Are you from Maryland?" I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "Yeah, I'm from DC." I'm like, "Oh, word." So then we started chatting up for like 3 or 4 hours, man. Right now I'm about to stop and get some food at this Puerto Rican spot. So we're at this place called Phoenix Coqui. And y'all know I'm Puerto Rican, so you know I gotta get some good food, man. Arroz con gandules, mofongo, and coquito too. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna get. I'm definitely gonna get a shot of coquito, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna drink or eat for my main meal. All right, guys, so I got the shot of coquito right here. Bon appetit. I ain't gonna lie, this is the first time I'm trying it. That's good, man. I feel my ancestors kicking in and stuff like that. Listo. Listo, the bag is secured, guys. Yeah, that's not for you, buddy. No. You're not kidding, no, man. Stop licking your lips. Watch, you can see his tongue again. Okay, the bag is secured. We got some mofongo. That's mofongo. Mofongo solo. And we got empanadilla. Empanadas. Try this for y'all really quickly. Watch it. Hold up. All right. Need some sauce, but it's good. Try the empanadas. Huh? That's the chicken one. Now I know it's not the exact classic of Puerto Rican food, Boricua comer, because we got the fries and stuff, but it's still Puerto Rican food. And soy Boricua. Let's take a bite of this beef one. My mother used to make empanadas all the time. It's mighty good. Bro, why is Spike staring and watching me? I'm gonna let him out. All right, guys, let's try with some of this sauce. I think this sauce is like mayo and maybe ketchup or garlic. She a bussin', man. I like the chicken one a little bit better. Bro, these flies are fucking getting on my nerves. But guys, that was the first time I ever had coquito. Because I was young my whole life. But now that I'm 21, it's an alcoholic drink. It's kind of like horchata, right? I think it's like a coconut drink and stuff like that. I think coconut and rum. Yeah, it's good. It was good as shit, I'm not gonna lie. It was good, I'm not gonna lie. I feel full. I still got the whole mofongo left and some fries, but that was good. That coquito, amazing, man. I'm gonna be drinking more of that, especially because it's Christmas time. But yeah, right now we're about to head to Quartzsite. I might stop at Tractor Supply to give Spike a bath because he is kind of stinky. Ain't that right, boy? You thinky? You thinky, boy? You're like, I don't even know what you talking about. All right, guys, so we're at Tractor Supply right now. Come on, Spike. Because I got to give Spike a bath because he stinks and he be laying in the bed with me. He been rolling in that dust, dirt, and all that crazy stuff. He's a crazy boy, so he needs a bath before we go to Quartzsite. So come on, boy. You ready for a bath? Come on. He hates this shit. Alright guys, he's all clean now. Come here, Spike. What's up? You feel way better? Let's get in the truck, come on.